Let's eat.
Alright, let's eat.
Oh,
Okay.
Yeah.
Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
Hi everyone, welcome to What's for Dinner. My name is Gordo and this is my dad.
Hello, everybody.
He was a chef and restaurant owner for more than 20 years and he's here to teach us how to cook simple Chinese dishes at home. So if you want to learn more Chinese recipes, please like and subscribe to our channel. Anyways, today we are making walnut shrimp.
Yes. Walnuts.
Happy Chinese New Year, everyone! Walnut shrimp is probably one of the most popular Chinese shrimp dishes out there and one of the most well known as well for its sweet and tanginess of the shrimp. You can usually find it in all Chinese restaurants and even at Panda Express. It is as easy to make as it is delicious. Alright, to get started you'll need lemon, sugar, candied walnuts, shrimp, mayonnaise, sweet condensed milk, honey, and cornstarch or your choice of starch to fry. Now for the prep. For the shrimp, we are using our pre-marinated shrimp that is the same marinade we use for the sautéed shrimp and the sweet and pungent shrimp. I will link the videos in the bio if you want to see how it's done. Awesome, now we're going to show you how we make the delicious sauce. In a separate bowl, we're going to make a sauce that is enough for 4 orders. So we will be adding 8 spoons of mayo into the bowl. So for those keeping track at home, for 1 order, you'll just need 2 spoons of mayo. Then we're going to add about 4 to 6 spoons of sweet condensed milk in there. It doesn't seem to be coming out. Here, let me get a chopstick for you to dig it out. Alright, there we go. Alright, so once we added that, we're going to add 1 spoon of honey in there and mix all the ingredients together thoroughly. Once we mix everything together, give it a taste and add sugar to taste. We are adding about a spoon of sugar in there and mixing it around again. Then we're going to cut a small slice of lemon and squeeze in the juice and mix it all together again. You can add in more sweet condensed milk or sugar to your taste, and once you got it down, you're done. Now let's go fry up our shrimp. Okay, for frying it is pretty straightforward. Get a large pot or pan and pour in a good glug of oil to fry your shrimp in. Once you poured in the oil, turn the gas on high and wait for the oil to get hot enough. If you don't have a fancy thermometer, you can check if the oil is hot enough by using a wooden chopstick technique, which is just grabbing a wooden chopstick and poking it into the oil. If the oil bubbles around the chopstick, that means it's ready for frying. Now that the oil is hot enough, get your marinated shrimp and coat each one thoroughly with cornstarch or a frying starch of your choice and drop each shrimp carefully into the oil. Shrimp cooks really easily, so keep an eye on each one and separate the shrimp if they start sticking to one another. And once the shrimp has gotten some color, take them out and drain the oil. Alrighty, let's get to the fun part, assembling it all together. For the shrimp, put them into a bowl and add 2 generous spoonfuls of the honey mayo sauce to the shrimp, and then you're gonna toss it and mix it all around thoroughly. Make sure to not add too much sauce because you don't want your shrimp to get all soggy. So for plating, we like to get a piece of lettuce and lay it on top of the plate so it looks pretty. Then carefully spoon all the shrimp over onto your plate and then sprinkle over your candied walnuts and you're done. I hope you enjoy this dish and it is an amazing entree to wow all your guests.
Hey, what's for dinner? Oh man, it's only almost about to be 5 p.m. Oh, but that means dinner is like in 2 hours. I can't wait that long. That's why I'm gonna quit.
Let's eat.
Alright, let's eat.
Oh,
Okay.
Yeah.
Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Whoa! What is this?
No dinner.
Yeah? Where?
I don't know.
Okay. What is this? It's walnuts, shrimp, walnut shrimp. It's so good it melts in your mouth. The texture of the shrimp, the way it was fried, it's like fried chicken, but like even better because it's shrimp. And if you don't like shrimp, I still like you. Can you try out the walnut? You gotta try this. I hope you like what you're seeing, and I hope you like this. Thank you for watching. Have a good dinner.